how to find out who unfollowed you on Instagram in 2024. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. One way to see who unfollowed you is to check your followers list manually. Tap on followers and scroll through the list. If you notice that someone is missing, they might have unfollowed you. Now, you can also use a third-party app, but we're not going to be using here. So if you want to see if someone who you're following is not following you back, then simply tap on the profile and go to your following list. If you can see your account at the top, that means they are following you. But if you're not over there, then that means they're not following you. And that's it. This is how you can successfully know how to find out or how to know who unfollowed you on Instagram.